Hi guys, sobrang kailangan ko po ng tulong nyo ngayon. Ito na po yung pagkakataon para mapansin naman ng Pilipino, hindi lang sa industriya ng basketball, ng boxing, ng bowling at ng music industry, kung hindi sa industriya ng networking. Kailangan natin magkaisa, kailangan natin i-announce sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak, kaibigan at mga kakilala nyo na iboto ako para manalo po tayo sa votation.
Please go to the link below, go to that website, vote Alliance in Motion Joseph Lim for him to win the top MLM leader around the world below 30 years old. Please help us win this contest so that we can be proud of our company, we can be proud of our country, and most of all, we can be proud of this industry. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, be proud of AIM. Right here, I am with Rory Mahoney, and we're here at the parking lot of Green Bay Stadium, one of the biggest stadium here. And you know what? This will be packed with 75,000 people. AIM Global is here. Woo! Joseph Lim is here.
Vote for Joseph Lim.
Joseph has done such a great job. He's here in America with us. We're so pleased to be able to get an exclusive seat at the Green Bay Packers for him and the other people here. It's a very difficult thing to do. Joseph has achieved that. Vote for him so that your success can be shown to the world.
Hey Joseph! Vote Joseph!
Kung iboto niyo si Joseph, this is the best time na tayo naman na mag-top ngayon. Pinoy, number 1. Gawin natin yun, kunin natin yun because his success is also our success. Salamat po sa inyo.